Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from home. So normally I film in store, but you guys, I was moving so fast this morning when it came to this Dollar General clearance event that I did not take time to film, y'all. I was just moving. So I went to a total of 4 different stores today because I absolutely love the Dollar General clearance event. If you are not familiar with the Dollar General clearance event, during this event, most stores, not all, but most stores take an additional 50% off of their clearance prices. And in my area, we also have a couple stores that take an additional 70%. So you get even more savings at those stores. So I did visit one of those stores today, and then I visited 3 different 50% off stores. And so with all of that, I was able to get all of these items today for around $6. And then I got back $3 from Fetch Rewards for the Dove. So that brought my final haul cost to only $3, you guys, for all of these items plus more. So I have about 20 items that I got that I could not fit on my table, and I wasn't about to move everything to the kitchen. So it is what it is, but I am going to show you those items that I don't have pictured here so that you can know the deals on those items as well. So if you can find some of these items at your stores, this pricing that I'm about to show you will be good until Sunday. So the clearance event usually runs for a total of 3 days, the entire weekend. It starts on Friday and then it goes until Sunday. So we have a couple more days left, and you can combine these clearance prices with the 5 off of 25 coupon on Saturday. I actually had a transaction where I combined it with a 3 off of 15 coupon for some additional savings that way as well. So I'll show you my receipt and how that worked out. So with clearance, the way it works is you may find some of the same items at your store or completely different items on clearance. Every store will be unique, but I'm gonna walk you through some of the prices that I paid for these different items and show you a close-up of my receipt so you can see how everything worked out and what I paid. So the first thing I'm going to show you is some of my smaller transactions, because I had to do a lot of different very small transactions in these deals because some of my coupons, like the Safeguard coupon, like the coupon I'm about to show you for the Jergens, for whatever reason, it wouldn't accept more than one in one transaction. So I had to split them up into single transactions. So I'll show you how that worked out. So the first thing I want to tell you guys about was this Jergens Lavender Body Butter. So these are the 5-ounce bottles. These were on clearance at my store for $2.02. I did use a $4 off of 2 paper coupon. That brought it down to 4 cents for both bottles, and I did that deal twice. We also have a $1.50 off digital coupon that you can use that'll make these only 52 cents. So I picked up a lot of Safeguard soap. The Safeguard actually provided overage that I used to pay for a lot of these items today, because at my 70% off store, they rang out for just 79 cents. At my 50% off stores, they were $1.32. But either way, we do have a $5 off of 3 digital coupon, and we have a $5 off of 3 paper coupon that you can use that will help you pay for some of your items. So in one of my transactions, I combined the Safeguard overage with the Nivea body wash. So the Nivea body wash is on clearance for $2.22. We do have a 3 off of 2 paper coupon that I added into the mix. So let me show you how that works out. So there is the Safeguard. There I picked up 3 bottles. There is the Nivea body wash. I used the 3 off of 2 plus that 5 off of 3. That brought my subtotal down to 40 cents for all 5 items. The Dove Dermis Care Scalp Shampoo. This is the anti-dandruff shampoo. This is an easy major money maker if you can find it at your location. So what you want to do is pick up 2 of these. We have 2 different digital coupons. We have a $2 off of one and a $1.50 off of one. So buying 2 of them, you'll get 50 cents in overage. So you can apply that overage to something else, and I'm going to show you how I picked them up. but you can also submit back to Fetch Rewards for $2 in cash back. So you already have a 50-cent moneymaker, but then you're going to get $2 back as well, making two of them a $2.50 moneymaker. So I used some of the money that I made from the Dove to combine that with this Downy Defy. So these are on clearance at different prices. So at my 70% off store, these ring out for $2.68. I'll show you my receipt for that in just a minute. But at the 50% off store, these rang out for $4.47. I used a $3 off manufacturer coupon from the P&G, and that made these only $1.47. So let me show you how it worked when I combined the Safeguard, the Dove, and one of these. Three of those items together, we got 3 Safeguard plus the Dove and the Downy Defy. Your subtotal will come up to -7 cents, and then after taxes, I paid 73 cents, and then I submitted back to Fetch Rewards, and I got back a total of $2 for the Dove, and I did that a couple different times, making that transaction an easy $2 moneymaker. So now I'm going to show you a transaction that I did at my 70% off store where the Defy was only $2.68. So because it was only $2.68, I used that $3 manufacturer coupon, and that gave me 32 cents in overage for each one of these that I picked up, and I did pick up a few of these at that store. Then I did this overage deal on the Keratin Color Hair Care. So these ring out for $1.80 at a 70% off store, and we have a $7 off of 2 paper coupon that I used. So you get over $3 in overage for every 2 that you pick up, but I did have to split them up because my system at this store would only take one of those $7 coupons at a time. So here's the receipt for another transaction that I did. In this transaction, I got 3 of the Safeguard. This was a 70% off store, so they ring out for 79 cents each. After that $5 off of 3 paper coupon, I got really nice overage there. There's all of those Downy Defy beads, and then I did use the $3 off of coupons, and then on one of them I had to use a $1 coupon because it wouldn't take any more of the $3, and then there is the $7 coupon for that hair color, and then I also added in some bleach. So the bleach was not on clearance. I got some big bottles. They were $3.75 each, and I did have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon. The reason I added in the bleach is because my subtotal was going to be too far into the negative, so I needed to add in some items to absorb that overage. I also got some of the bounce dryer sheets in this transaction, so you can see that there. Those were 93 cents, and I used the $1 coupon to make those free, plus 7 cents in overage. So after I added in those 2 big bottles of bleach for $3.75 each and used that digital coupon, that brought my subtotal for all of those items to just $1.12. Some other items I picked up at my 70% off store were the Suave hand soap. So I have a lot of these that are not pictured in this haul. I actually picked up 18 of them. Now the reason I picked up 18 of those hand soaps is because they were ringing out for 45 cents at the 70% off location, and they're on a promo where if you spend $8, you'll get $2 off instantly. So I wanted to take advantage of that instant savings. So let me show you how this transaction worked out. So here I got 2 more of those hair colors. I got some Downy items. So I also picked up some of the Downy Wrinkle Guard in this transaction. So that rang out for $106 at the 70% off store, and I did use a $1 coupon. There's more bounce dryer sheets, and then there is all 18 of those Suave hand soaps. So those rang out for 45 cents, but with the instant savings, it took 11 cents off of each bottle, making them only 34 cents each. And then I also picked up 2 of the Chic Hydro razors. So those were $1.71 at that store, and then I did use a $3 paper coupon. So after all of that overage and all of those savings for all of these items, y'all, I paid a whopping 17 cents. 17 cents, you guys. And these are the two chic items that I did pick up for that $171. The $3 coupon that I used comes out in Sunday's inserts. So that gave me some nice overage. Those items have been on clearance for a while. And I think I'm missing a couple of receipts because I actually have a lot more hair color. Y'all, I was wearing this hair color out, but I used the hair color to pay for a couple more of these Downy items. So if you're not shopping at a 70% off store, you want to be cognizant of the pricing difference. So for me, it rang out really, really cheap. So it was like $1 at the 70% off store. But if you're at a full price store, then the wrinkle guard is going to be $177. And that is going to be 77 cents after your dollar coupon. And then the refresh is going to ring out for $2 and it'll be $1 after your $1 coupon. Now let me show you a couple more transactions that I did. So in this transaction, I actually just needed to pick up some coffee. So I got a Starbucks double shot in this transaction, and that was $3. So that's actually all of that I paid for. So there's the Safeguard, there's some more Bounce, some more Safeguard, and then my $3 coffee. After the overage, my subtotal came up to $2.67 for this transaction, which was really free because I just paid for my coffee that I needed this morning because I was at the store early, you guys. Another item that I picked up was these Wick essential oils. This is the apple cinnamon medley. So these rang out for $2.50. I had a $2.75 digital coupon that made one of them free plus 25 cents in overage. And then I also had a $1 digital coupon that made the other one $1.50. So definitely be on the lookout for those. And then I told you guys that I picked up a lot of items that I don't have pictured. One of those things that I picked up was the Suave. So the 2-in-1 Plus. Those are ringing out for 87 cents, and we do have a 2 off of 2 coupon and a $1 off of 1 coupon. And then these bigger bottles right here, this Ultra Sleek and Smooth, that's 28 ounce. This was $1.33, and those same coupons do apply. So I actually picked up a bunch of these shampoos in a transaction, just like I did with the Suave hand soap, because I was hoping that that $2 in instant savings, that $2 would come off of the shampoo as well. But at this store, that $2 in instant savings did not come off. So let me show you how this transaction worked out. In this transaction, I got 2 more of the Jergens. I have my Wick items. I have the Dove. I have all of this Suave shampoo. Y'all see those 2-in-1s. I also added in some Fantastics in here. The Fantastics I had no coupons for, but those ring out for $1.33. I was planning to pay about $1 for this transaction after that instant savings did apply, but since it did not apply, I paid $3.31. So I paid $3.31 and then I submitted back to Fetch Rewards for this transaction, and I got $1 back for the Dove shampoo. So that made the final cost for all of these items, including the Fantastic, only $2.31. And one item that I added into my transactions that I did not have a coupon for was the Glade air freshener. So these ringing out for half price, I think they're 85 cents on clearance. So ringing out for half price, they ring out for 42 cents. And so I just randomly added those into different transactions because they kind of just worked out to an easy item that wasn't too expensive. And if you're not at a 70% off store, I do want you to take note of the hair color cost. So it will ring out for $3 a piece. Then you use that $7 off of 2 coupon to make that only $1 in overage. So it'll be $1 in overage that you can apply towards your basket total. So that is all for my Dollar General trip, you guys. I hope me showing you my haul was helpful, just so you can see how I ring my items out to reduce out of pocket. I hope you guys are able to score if you have not been to the store already, especially with those 5 off of 25 savings. My son's birthday is tomorrow, so I will not be heading back to Dollar General tomorrow. I will be taking the day off of couponing, but I hope you guys have some amazing shopping. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I will talk to you all soon.